Some important features and fixes happened in the latest Technician 1.0.9 release, including the ability to add tips to orders. So let's take a look. Like I said, we added tips to Technician. I'm going to show you two ways to easily access them. First, go to the Complete Job screen. Here you'll see the new Customer Review and Add Tip button. Click on that. We incorporated this so that you have the ability to easily have your customer review their order before the payment. And easy access to add a tip. You have the option of adding a percentage of the job total or doing a custom amount. If you want to reset, simply select the Reset button. Once the customer has set the tip, click Save. Notice it adds the tip as its own line item and also adds it to the total. You can also access tips from the payment screen. Click the $sign, and when the time comes, select Add Tip to Order. The same screen pops up. The last feature added in 1.0.9 is a calendar upgrade. Notice May 2nd. We upgraded the calendar, so now it contains indicator dots, giving you a nice visual on what days have jobs and those that do not. Here are some of the fixes completed in 1.0.9. The Commissions UI now filters out estimates and voided orders. So any commissions you see in Technician will not include estimates and voided orders. We upgraded the Favorite section, so now it properly shows all types of line items, even including service items. Speaking of line items, if you've ever had issues with refreshing line items, they do so now with no problem.